I'm so happy. I'm happy because of so many things. One, I am here, I'm recording. I cannot remember the last time I recorded a YouTube video. Whew, I'm sorry for coming on like this. Honestly, I've been thinking about coming back to creating content on YouTube and even consistently on Instagram for the past maybe how many months now. But I have just not been able to figure out what exactly I want to say. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going to start from. A lot of things have changed. One is my name, of course. You would see that I have changed my name on YouTube and even on my Instagram. On YouTube, we're now Jennifer Magwen. Magwen is my middle name, right? So I just wanted that to be like the name of my channel for now. So that's what I'm also going by on Instagram, Jennifer Magwen on Instagram, because there's practically nobody that bears Jennifer Magwen on earth. If you know anyone, please tag them or just refer me to them. I've never seen anyone who bears that name on earth, and it's just so unique. So I wanted to go by continue Jennifer Agumbiade, but then there's somebody else that bears Jennifer Agumbiade, and I don't want that. I wanted to do Jennifer Kelvin, but then again, very popular. In fact, so many people have that name. So I just thought, you know what? Let me just go with Jennifer Magwen. Jennifer Magwen is unique, it's original, and it's me. You know, it's my name. A lot of people know me with Magwen. In fact, a lot of people prefer to call me Magwen. I just finished washing my hair. I want to steam my hair tonight. My kids are asleep, and I just felt, why don't you just pick up a camera and do this thing and just get it out of the way? Whew. So here I am. Where have I been? What has been happening? A lot. A lot has been happening and a lot is about to change, or rather a lot has changed. What has been happening, I don't know if it's even your business, honestly. So that's why I'm like, I don't know if I want to share it. However, we are experiencing a major shift, a major change in our lives right now. And yeah, it's a new phase, it's a new season for me and the kids, you know, and we're going through a lot, and I believe that everybody's going through a lot. But you know how one day you are happily living in your house and the next minute you pack your bags and you're out? Yeah, that's how shocking it was, right? I don't know if I'm ready to share it. Please don't ask me to share it. I'm not going to share it anytime soon, or if I'm ever going to even talk about it. Bits and pieces, maybe I'll mention it as we continue interacting on the channel. Maybe I'll share it, maybe not. I don't know. Just stay tuned, okay? But just know that we're going through a lot right now. You know, just trying to make the best out of it. And for one, if you hear an echo, you know that I'm in an empty house. We just moved into a new space and it's practically empty. There's nothing, no furniture, nothing. We're literally like starting from scratch. And I don't know if I want to document it, but let me just put it out there, just in case you're seeing some things that are not odd. Don't go asking questions, right? Let me get my treatment and come back to this conversation. Just give me a minute. Yeah, so where were we? So I don't know, I can't remember where we were because I can't go back and listen to that message. But like I was saying, that we're in one place and then the next minute we're in another place, and we're starting life all afresh, all over again. Nothing is in this house. It's an empty house. Maybe I can even show you guys a vlog of, you know, once everywhere is a bit set up, you know, right? Not set up, not even my major setup, but just once I've cleared all the load that are before me right now and washed all those clothes. I said a lot is changing, or rather a lot has changed. One, about the channel. I know that you know the channel to be a fake channel and all of that good stuff. But like I said in one of my videos, I felt like God was leading me into something else at some point, but I didn't know what exactly it was. I started to invite other people to the channel to, you know, come and talk to us about certain things. And sorry, I'm trying to reduce the water on my hair. Well, you know the channel to be a fake channel, but right now it's not going to be a fake channel anymore. Not because I'm no longer a Christian or that I don't believe in God anymore. I actually do. In fact, now more than ever, right? Let me just tie this hair up a little while I wait for it to steam. Now more than ever, right? But, and I feel like God was leading me into something else. I remember when I shared with you guys that I no longer have ideas regarding relationships and, you know, faith, work, and all of that. I'm still very much a Christian. I still love Jesus. I still go to church. My values are still the same. However, I am not going to be fatty with you guys on here anymore. I'm going to be, if you notice, you see, if you check the channel banner, you'll see that I changed it to chit chat and vlogs. So I'm basically going to be sharing vlogs with you guys and chit chatting here about any issue that is on my heart or any matter that is on the internet or whatever it is that I feel like coming to share with you guys, and then a little bit of vlogs here and there. I don't really do much these days, but anytime I have any activity, I would like to share with you guys as well. Then yeah, so that's that about the channel. Well, I'm going to insert a video of what we're working with, what the house looks like after. So yeah, that's it. And there's just a few things I wanted to also see on that video, and I believe you heard them and you've seen where we are and my state of mind right now. I'm just so grateful to God also for the fact that I'm still here, I'm still standing, my kids are still here with me, and it's something to be grateful to God for. Because if I tell you that I am in the storm, or rather I have been in the storm, you won't believe it. It's so funny because 1 minute God was telling me something and the next minute I'm in this storm and it's like it's gonna consume me. However, God has been so faithful, keeping me fit, keeping me at peace, even in the storm, even in the midst of it all. I thank God. I can't complain, even though everything is not the way I want it to be. But I will take my friend's advice. She said I should see this as an opportunity to buy all the choicest things I want to buy and just do what I want to do. And if I tell you that this time around, I am not even going to cut it down. I am not even going to settle for less. It's the best or nothing. Of course, within my means, within my means, obviously. However, even within my means, I'm going to make sure that I go with something good. I'm going to choose excellence over anything. So yeah, if I can share it with you guys, definitely I will. If I can't, then fine. Yeah, so I'm making my hair tomorrow. That's about that. And what else was I going to talk about again? Because this is like an introduction video. So yeah, I feel like this video is a bit long, so I'm going to end this video right here, and then I'm going to begin a vlog. I'm so sorry that the first video I'm going to introduce you to this channel, or rather welcome back, is this kind of video, because my life has just been anyhow. It's just been somehow. But I just wanted to come out here and just do this video and get it out of the way. And I'm glad I have been able to do that. And I've actually shared everything that's on my heart to share with you guys. I don't think I have anything left in my heart. If you're new here, I'm so sorry. My name is Jennifer Magwen. Yeah, that's my name. I used to be Jennifer Agumbiade, but that has changed. We're in a new era, a new dimension, a new person. In fact, you guys are going to be seeing a new version of me. Because in this phase of my life, okay, I don't even care what people think. I don't even care about people's opinion anymore. So I'm just going to be myself. I'm going to do what I feel like doing and how I know to do it. So you're going to flow with me and enjoy the ride. Okay. I can't believe that's what just came to my mind now. Anyway, too much interaction with Instagram. So well, yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So welcome to my new life. We're literally starting from scratch. As I speak to you, that living room is still the way it is up till now, but I'm grateful that we're still alive, that we're still standing. And thank you to everyone who has supported me one way or the other. Thank you for your prayers. I really do appreciate it, and I hope that this new phase will bring new blessings and all whatnot. And as much as I can, I'll carry you guys on this journey of replenishing and restoration, because I tell you, God is going to restore all that was lost. And I hope you guys will be here to share my testimony eventually, because many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivers him from them all. And I receive my deliverance. And yeah, thank God for a fresh start. Thank God that I am still here. Last year by this time I thought I was going to die. But thank God. I was drowning in grief. I was drowning in pain. And yeah, I'm here. I thank God for that. I am putting this out there as a memorial, as a sign, as a remembrance of what God is about to do, or what God has started to do in my life. and I will testify. I know I will, and you will hear of it.